Dario dBud hearing protection. From showing up on time, to fixing the levels, to building the fan base, to keeping the night going. From sound check to the roar of the crowd. It's hearing protection for the music you love at every level.
When you turn up the volume, you might be putting your hearing at risk. That's why there's dBud, comfortable, high-level hearing protection that keeps the sound clear and the experience intact. Inside the box, a pair of dBud earplugs, 5 tip sizes, detachable leash, and a soft carrying case. Slide between 2 protection levels. 12 decibels for balanced, high-fidelity sound in rehearsals and everyday use. 24 decibels for louder settings like concerts and festivals. Unlike foam earplugs, dBud preserves the full spectrum of sound. Hear music clearly, even at higher volumes. Choose from 5 interchangeable silicone tips to find your perfect fit. The leash keeps them around your neck. The compact case keeps them clean and protected, quick to grab, easy to store. Choose the silicone tip that feels snug and secure. Attach the leash to the dBuds and then push on the silicone tips. Use the magnetic slider to keep them together when not in use.